Hi guys, today I want to talk about this great gadget which is gonna help hold your phone steady and always ready. This is the company LISEN, and it's a magnetic phone holder. In the box you are getting two pieces which easily set up. Just screw this one to top, place inside, press it inside the ball when you hear the click sound, this one, and just screw back. There we go. More tighter you're screwing this screw, more harder you can move your head. It depends how you want to hold your phone and get adjustment for your height or the angle. How you can see, the system is very simple. The red is a hook, and there's a small like a drill system which allows, when you're rotating this rotor, it moves the main hook, and if there's your air vent, it just press in as far you need it. And how you can see, it can go almost up to the end, just leaving a small gap. Here guys, I get on the left side is an older version, on the right side is a newer version. If I'm not getting wrong, this is 2021 model, and this is the possibly 2019 or 18 even. Where is it different? Different is quite big. There's a different base for your phone. How you can see on the light, there's a 4 magnets. Comparing with the new older one, was a 6 magnets. Actually, how you can see them, there's no point putting more magnets. Get the phone better stay on this holder. At least you get the more stronger magnets, which enough with the 4 of them, and it holds your phone really well. The system how they works is actually really the same, but one is different is on the hooks. How you can see on the older one, if I want to tie it up to the air vent, the farthest where I can go is this way, and leaving a quite big gap. And actually that was the reason why I bought this new one, because I'm using the Skoda and my air vent is not enough wide to get to the edge, and that's mean the whole phone holder is moving back and forward and sliding. I would like to show you how I hide this metal plate under my bumper case when it's actually not sticks out, and take a good look in your phone. Usually people are sticking this one outside of the bumper case, but this is the magnet is quite strong to get it through the bumper case, and this is how it looks like. Inside I get a cling film which comes together. I place the first one, and on the top I put a metal plate. That's all. And after, you just covering with your normal bumper case, and it looks and holds very well. Let's take a look. See? It holds strongly. You can hold your phone, doesn't matter how you want, left, vertical, horizontal, just turning around. It always holds the same position and never falls down. If a comparison with the older one, it's doing the same job, just there's a smaller surface, and sometimes it slightly moves on the sides, but it happens quite rare. Usually it holds really steady and ready, and there's no big difference between the newer or older ones. Only difference is for which kind of car is gonna fit your. On the right side I'm gonna mount the new one, and I will show you how it works. Only what you need to do, just apply all the way inside and screw it till as far you can. And now you can see it holds, not going forward. This is how it looks like from the side. It took just a couple seconds to fit, and the same way if you want to take out, just screw out and take them out again. Place in, screw it, that's it, it's ready to go. You can adjust your head, how you want to put your phone or tablet or anything else. How actually work older ones. Where's the problem with some cars who are using older version? Okay, it's the same, it's very simple. It looks like really the same, but and this way there's a little bit problem. How you can see, it's quite loose because there's a small gap between this air vent is not enough wide to fit properly for this car mount, and lots of people get the issues when it actually goes left and right and just the wigglings, instead comparing this one, which stays strong and really hard to move. And that's why I recommend, if you had not enough wide blades for air vent, just go for this one. If you had a really wide blades, go for this one, because this is a cheaper one, this is a little bit more expensive. But they're both doing the same thing. Hold your phone, and it's really excellent gadget for what you need it for your car, because you just go inside, place your phone on your mount, and you're ready to go. You need to get out from the car, just hold it and go away. Just grab it and go. That's it. It's very simple, guys. I hope so you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you like it. I will leave this in description links where you can buy it. Unfortunately, for newer version, it's not available in the UK, but I will place older one which is available in UK. But if you want to buy from USA, you can order from Amazon with the shipping to UK. That's what I done myself. Thank you guys, and have a good day.